This is the Govee RGBIC TV light bar. They provided such an immersive TV watching experience. They are about 16 inches tall and they can be mounted behind the TV, so they don't have to be visible on the desk. Please like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you. In this review, I'm going to show you the full setup process as well as some of the color presets demos. And you can do customization and the timer and use it to work with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Let me unmute my TV. It has a microphone built in, so it will be reactive to the sound from the TV. I'll start recording my screen and project the phone capture in the center so you can see a full overview of how this works. So currently I'm in the music mode. I'm gonna pick the rhythm. That was the vivid I just picked as my first demo. Then strike, vibrate. Now the music is getting quiet. Let's go to the C mode for a while. And I'll walk you through all the modes here. Seasonal, snowflake, stream. I'll stay a few seconds for each preset. Rainbow, meteor, fire, bloom, life, reading, movie, candlelight, romantic, breathe, energetic, party. There are so many presets to pick from. Siren, tunnel, colorful, asleep. Now let's go to funny, crossing. It looks like it alternates the left and right side. Glitter, fight, drum bit. Now the movie watching, literally, science fiction, romance, war films, comedies, and there's one for documentaries too. Action, and this one is very vibrant and dynamic. Suspense. Well, this provides a huge contrast, red and blue, and there's a DIY mode. All right, so I guess that's all. And now let's come back to the music mode and finish off what we left off, the beat. They're also customizable. Torch, rainbow circle, also alternates left and right, shiny, interesting. Yeah, it will react to my voice, so this is really interesting. Yeah, I guess that's it. You can also optionally turn on or off either side from the app and upgrade its firmware. All right, so that's the full app walkthrough. Oh, okay, forgot the effects lab. You can do lots of customization and timer to set a wake up and sleep time. Very, very useful. I will be able to mount the light bar to the back of the TV using the included 3M tape with this bracket. The angle of the light bar can also be adjusted when using this bracket behind the TV. It's about 90-degree adjustments. This is the Govee RGBIC TV light bar. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and show you how to set it up in the Govee app. All right. Nice packaging. I bet this one is the light bar itself. 2 light bars. Pretty tall. Wow. And the connection is via Type-C cable, a Y cable. These are connected together. Let's see what else we got in here. This is empty packages inside. The stand, yes. The Wi-Fi control unit, 1 Type-C, and 1 power input. Another TV, another stand, and these are for the back of the monitor, probably. That's the power supply. There are 2 mounting options by the side of the TV or in the back of the TV. Using these 2 brackets, we can attach them to the keyhole mount in the back, 3M tape, or just do this. Very sleek design. As usual, I'd love to test the power consumption by using a power meter. Looks like it is working right now, and it's consuming about 12.5 watts. With this kind of brightness, I'll power it off. See the idle power consumption, then we will connect it to my phone app. It's less than 1 watt idling. Okay, that is great. Not a huge amount of power. I'll leave the power meter there so you can see the power consumption in real time. And now I'm gonna add the device as usual, going to the Bluetooth device nearby so I don't have to remember the model number. That is excellent. So I really don't wanna go through that huge list of Govee. Now let's press the power button once to start pairing. I'm gonna get this one renamed to TV Backlight. Done. Then I'm gonna enter my Wi-Fi password and the Wi-Fi name, which is actually remembered by the app in my previous installation. Now it's working. So now I'm gonna test the left and right using the app. Works fantastic. Okay, now position is correct, or I can switch position, right? There's a button to toggle the switch. And now we're good. And there is a music mode, so perhaps it can be synced up to the TV sound like so. There are also different modes under the music mode. It has a microphone built in, obviously, and we can pick a solid color and pick the brightness, pick the sections like that. Usually I'll just pick a scene. I think that usually works the best. I don't really do much customization. Of course, if you want, there's a DIY mode. You can also go to the timer and pick a time to turn it off, like through Monday through Friday, and like let's try 4 p.m. So it will automatically turn off by then. I can also use Alexa to control its on and off. For example, computer, turn off TV backlight. See, I didn't have to do anything to my Alexa. It got automatically picked up as I did the rename here. Let's try that again. Computer, turn on the TV backlight. And if you set up a Alexa routine, the scene modes and the color choices can also be automatically set via Alexa, and I don't have to come into the app and say anything. Yeah, so this is really cool. And the controls can also be found on this remote, on this inline remote sort of Wi-Fi module, and toggle between different modes. Yeah, that's on-off button, and the app, the controls are responsively reflected in here. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this review helpful.